Dale McIntosh, standing at 6 foot, 270 pounds, the heavyweight contender. Who will be the next heavyweight? Dale McIntosh or Ackmed Hadid?
On the other hand, MaCintosh is taking a different technique. He's smoking marijuana frequently. So elusive that I've even gotten high with it. How do you feel about this technique, MaCintosh? We don't give
Good. Bro, like... Oh, yeah?
Conditioning has been taking place. Very intense. Dell McIntosh, lifting heaviest weights out there, trying to improve his muscles. Will he be ready in time for this fight? We don't know.
And in this corner, we have Ackmed Hadid standing at 6'8", 300 pounds from the Kandahar province. Skilled in Fujitsu. Ackmed has been training for 3 long days.
Oh my god, my abs.
Ackmed has fought 4 times in the Octagon against many goats and many other Arabs. He's only won one of the fights, and that was against a goat. You can probably see why he won that.
It was a big goat, man.
No excuses, Ackmed. Ackmed's undergoing the most intense training we've ever seen known to man. Keep going!
No. I will win this fight.
Yeah, that's the attitude, that's the spirit, kid. Yeah. Ackmed has gone home every night. Except broken ribs and broken bones, fingertips, you name it, chances are his trainer's broken it. Did you see that face of determination?